Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to rotate in After Effects. After starting After Effects, I add the purple background image as a background of this composition. And then I want to add the vector graphics. We can go to File and Import and File. I have a vector graphic for the standing fan. This is downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I select this vector graphic and then we can choose import. In the import kind, we can choose composition and then we can keep this setting and press OK. Now the vector graphics is imported as a composition. Also, we can find the individual layers here. I double click to open the fan composition. And then we have the layer here. I select these two layers and then I press Ctrl C to copy and go back to the previous composition and press Ctrl V to paste. Now if we want to make rotation for the fan blade, we can open the layer. We can find transform and we can find rotation. So we can adjust the value to rotate it. But we can see that this is not rotating around the center, so we can move the anchor point. I close up to view it. And then we can go to pan behind to move the anchor point. I click it, and then we can click and drag to move the anchor point to center of circle. After moving the anchor point, I go to View Fit, and then we can adjust the number of rotation. I go back to 0. And then we can set the keyframe to make animation. I set the first keyframe and then move the time indicator to next second to set another value. Oops. Click and drag to set another value to set another keyframe. Now I go back to the 0 second and I press spacebar to play the preview. Actually, we can make it faster. I move the time indicator to the second keyframe and we can add rotation. For example, I add 20 and we can type 50 degree. So the second keyframe is updated. I go back to the 0 second and then I press spacebar to preview it. So this is how we can rotate in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.